YouTube, welcome back to my channel Sami Photography. In this video I'm going to show you how to match skin tones of this image or this picture. As you can see, the face is looking differently from other part of the skin. So in this video I'm going to show you how to match the skin to other parts of the body. So if at all you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit that like button so that YouTube recommend my video to others to watch. So without wasting our time, let us start. Firstly, we are going to go to these adjustments and we are going to look for this gradient map. So after clicking this white or negative effect will pop up in this image. So in order to remove this, we are going to click this visibility layer to disable this by clicking that. So and we are going to select this gradient layer icon. Don't select this white layer icon. We are going to select this gradient layer icon by clicking it, and this property layer will pop up. So we are going to click in this gradient color. So here we are going to use this gradient editor to match our skin. So make sure that the gradient type is solid, as you can see here is solid, and the smoothness is 100%. So as we know, we are going to use this gradient color. So as just know that white indicates this black or dark skin tone, and black indicates this brightness skin tone. So we are going to click in this white and we are going to click in this color. So we are going to go, make sure that our image is zoomed, and we are going to look for the darkest skin tone in our image. So I think it's here. So click in this dark skin tone and press OK. So on the right hand side, we are going to click in this black color. So this black color indicates that we are going to select the brightness skin tone. So click in this picker, color picker, and click in color. So come and look where you can see that the skin is bright enough. So I'm going to select this part. As I told you, the black on the right hand corner means that you are going to select the brightness, skin tone, and the white on the left hand corner indicates that you are going to select the dark skin tone. So after clicking or picking our color, press OK. So the next thing what we are going to do is to select the midtones. Midtones means that the actually where you see the color, or where you can see that the color is well balanced without darkness and without brightness. So the next thing, you are going to come and click in the middle here. Make sure the location is 50, as you can see, and come and click. Make sure that you pick. Make sure that the location is 50 and click in color. Then come and select the midtones, and I think these are good. I will go with these ones and press OK. So after you have done that, press OK, and make sure that our layer visibility is on or is active by pressing it. As you can see, our image is not looking good, so we are going to come to these blending modes, and we are going to look for color. In this blending mode, you have to select color. So after that, come here to this white mask. As you all know that black hides and white reveals. So we are going to press Ctrl I on Windows. If you are using Mac, you're going to press Command I. So I'm going to press Ctrl I here, and as you can see, our layer, our color is hidden because we have selected black. We have clicked Ctrl I, and we have hide we have hidden this color. So make sure that black and here is black, as you can see, so that to reveal the color. So we are going to come to brush and select brush, and come here and select soft round brush. Make sure that the hardness is 0%, and come and start to brush as you are seeing. Make sure that you brush only on the skin, don't brush on the clothes. As you can see, our color is somehow matching, and you can come here and also brush the face. Make sure that you brush where there is a skin. As you can see, make sure that you brush where there is a skin, and you can see our photo or our pic is looking great even if we haven't finished. So to remove, so remember, as you brush, you make accidents or you brush outside the skin. So make sure that you come here and click in this arrow switch, or you can come and press Ctrl X on our keyboard to switch these colors, and make sure that the white is down and the black is up to remove these colors which you brush outside the skin. As you can see, I'm eliminating these colors which I brushed out of the skin. And make sure that you zoom the image to the maximum where you see it clearly to get good results. As you can see, our image is looking great and our skin tones are the same all over the skin. So, but if it's not good or it's not looking fantastic as you wish, you can come here and play around with this opacity. As you can see, you can decrease to around of your percentage where you feel like it's looking great. And for me here, it's looking great. And if at all the color is not good for you, you can still come again in this gradient and play around. You can play around with the midtones to make sure that the image is looking great as you wish it to be. So that's it for today. As you can see, this is the before and this is the after. This is the before and this is the after. And please make sure that I always tell you to zoom the image to where you feel you are seeing it clearly to get good results. As you can see now, this is our before and this is our after. Thanks you for watching today's video, and if at all you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe and press the like icon to push my video, and stick around always to see more interesting videos like this. Thank you and bye bye.